TeacherBelle and welcome to another episode of Tips, Review, and Tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell all so you'll get notified every time I upload videos on app reviews, tech tutorials, teaching tips, and reading readiness. Okay, so for today, we are going to learn some shortcut keys or hotkeys that might be a game changer for us, especially teachers. So please do watch until the end. You don't want to miss this one. What I do is, for me to memorize it by heart, I put it in a small sticky note. I keep on referring to this one until I memorize it by heart and until I can use it automatically. So the first one is, of course, apart from the control copy, control C, which is to copy, and control X to cut, and control V to paste. This is one thing that I think some of our teachers do not know. When you click control plus A, you get to highlight everything. For example, when you click this one and you click or press control A, it gets highlighted, everything in the text box. If you are on a Mac, instead of pressing control, click command. Okay, so that's control A. Okay. Next one, this is something that I find very helpful. It saves time from copying and pasting. Instead of control C and control V to copy and paste, you can use control D or command D to duplicate anything. For example, let's go back to this one again. Okay, so if you want to duplicate a slide, instead of copy and pasting it, you can just click control D. And as you can see, it just duplicates. So how many seconds of time did you save for that one? Also for this one, if you want to duplicate this text box, you can just hover your cursor here, press it, and then click control D. There you go. Next one is control T or command T when you are on Mac. So open a new tab. I think some of you already knows this one, so look at that one. So instead of clicking this plus sign, save time by going to this plus sign by pressing control T. There you go. And then a new tab opens. Next one is control shift T. Okay, this one is a game changer for me. When I first learned it, it opens the last browser tab. So like for me, if you can look at my screen, it has tons of tabs open, and sometimes I accidentally close tabs that I did not mean to close. So in order for you to bring that back, you can just click control shift T. There you go. So it opens the last tab that you recently closed. Okay. Next one is control L. Okay. This one lets you put your cursor in the search bar. So save time by moving your cursor to the search engine. Okay. So instead of doing that, save time and just click control L. There you go. So as you can see, it highlighted without me having to move my cursor. Let's do that again. Okay, so control L. There you go. Okay, next is control shift D. This is again another game changer for me. It saves the current page as a bookmark. So sometimes due to the tons of resources that we need for our daily teaching, so instead of you going to this part and saving it as bookmarks tab, that sometimes takes a bit longer. So For example, if you want to save a website, you can just go to that website and click Control Shift D. And it brings you right at the bookmarks page. So choose where you want to put it in the bookmarks bar and just save. And as you can see, it will appear on your bookmarks tab. Where is that? Okay, there you go. Class Dojo. Next and last but not the least is, no, this is the second to the last. Control Shift J. So it opens your downloads page because sometimes us teachers, we keep on downloading things and we forget where we have put them or have saved them. So where do you find those things that you downloaded? So you can just click Control Shift J and it will open your downloads page. Now you can see here everything that you've downloaded since you last cleared your browser. Okay, that's Control Shift J. Okay, now this one I didn't know this one before. When you tap your space bar, it practically scrolls down your web page. So for example, let's go to this web page and tap your spacebar. Tap, 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 tap. It brings you down. I just don't know the shortcut key for if you want to go up. The arrow. If you click the arrow, yes, you can do that, but it's taking too long to go up. Same case when you use the arrow down, it's taking too long to go down. But if you click or if you press the space bar, okay, it goes right down. Okay, those are some of the game changer hotkeys or shortcut keys that we can use in our daily life. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And if you have some game changer shortcut keys, please comment them down so that we can all learn from each other. Bye and have a great day. Hope this video was helpful.